There are several types of chemical bonding that shape our world. First up is ionic bonding, where atoms transfer electrons, creating charged ions that attract each other. Next, we have covalent bonding, where atoms share electrons to achieve stability. Then there's metallic bonding, where electrons are delocalized, holding metal ions together. Don't forget about hydrogen bonding, the weak links between molecules with hydrogen and electronegative atoms. Polar covalent bonding involves unequal sharing of electrons, creating partial charges. Lastly, coordinate covalent bonding is when one atom donates both electrons in a bond. These bonding types determine the properties and behavior of molecules, influencing everything around us.